OnePlus has previously published several of its apps on Play Store, which includes applications like OnePlus Gallery, OnePlus Launcher, and Weather application. And now OnePlus have also added GameSpace application on Google Play Store, which also adds few new features like Game Sats and Instant Games. Right now, if you search this application on Google Play Store, here version is 1.0.1, and this version does not have feature of Game Sats and Instant Game. But there is a direct link given in the description below, which is an early access application. You can download that application and install it manually. I've already installed it on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me show you the version of that. And here version is 2.3.2. After you install this APK manually, just complete the initial setup. This will be the first look of your application. So here you can see they have added the instant game option, epic game option, and your rest of the games can be seen here. If you talk about the changelogs, with the first changelog they say new instant game feature, play games instantly without downloads. So here we have that feature of instant games. You can open this where you can find many games which are not required to be downloaded from the Play Store. Directly you can tap on play and start playing that game. With the second changelog, they have added the Game Sats option. View your gaming sats in GameSpace. So yes, Game Sats option can be found here. Tapping on this, which will show you the gaming time and the days. Along with that, you can also see for how much time you have played that specific game and the most played game. You can check the most played game within last 3 months and 7 days. Under Game Sats, we can also find an option of battery usage. If you continuously play games, you can see the entire usage of your battery. And the last changelog, they say optimize the game automatic recognition solution. Now most of your installed games can be recognized by GameSpace. Previously we had to manually add the games, but now they have optimized the auto recognition, and if you have installed any game on your device, that will be automatically recognized and added inside the GameSpace application. Inside the settings, we get options like hide GameSpace application. This will be hidden from the app drawer, and you can find it inside the settings and utility section. You can also remove the icons from the app drawer by enabling show game icon in GameSpace app only. If you want to disable the instant game feature, that can be disabled from here. Then we have the same stuff, which is answer call via speaker, disable automatic brightness, graphic optimization, haptic feedback enhancement, and at last fanatic mode. Rest everything remains same with the latest GameSpace application. Only 2 new features have been added. So guys, that was a quick look on latest GameSpace application for OnePlus devices. If you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.